Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The NCB Foundation has made substantial progress with the Building a Better Jamaica Fund, geared towards offering support to those affected by Hurricane Beryl. Since its launch on July 5, the fund has received several generous cash donations and pledges from individuals and companies, including Guardian Group, Wisynco, Jamaica Macaroni Factory Limited, the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange, and Food for the Poor Canada. Additionally, there is response with in-kind pledges from Spike Industries and Wisynco. These contributions are critical in aiding the restoration with roofing for homes and small businesses, as well as support for agriculture in the severely affected parishes of St. Elizabeth, Hanover, and Manchester. 26% of local households say they were in receipt of remittances up to the end of the second quarter this year. Following the latest Consumer Confidence Survey, Executive Chairman of Market Research Services Don Anderson said the number of households receiving funds from overseas has not yet returned to pre-pandemic levels. It was 29% in 2021 and 26% in 2022 during the height of COVID-19. Up to the end of the second quarter in 2023, it was 27% of households that said they received remittances. The Consumer Confidence Survey started tracking remittances in 2011. Jamaica is set to rake in US $20 million from this year's staging of the Appleton Rum Festival and the pool of Reggae Sumfest events, which end this weekend. Speaking in an interview with Radio Jamaica News at one of the events in Catherine Hall, St. James on Thursday, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett said the projection is based on the direct and indirect jobs provided, the influx of tourists, and the foreign currency spend for accommodation and to purchase goods and services that will be on offer from ordinary Jamaicans. So that 20 million US is not just going to the big man. It is being spread quite a bit among the small players of the industry, the tourism minister said. This marks year one in the 3-year partnership between Appleton Rum Festival and Reggae Sumfest. During trading for the period of the week of July 15, 2024 to July 19, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Dollar Financial Services Limited with 104,315,816 units amounted to 58.83% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 25,643,010 units amounted to 14.46% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Wigton Wind Farm Limited, ordinary shares with 6,185,945 units amounted to 3.49% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on July 19, 2024, registered a volume of 42,350 shares crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 400,649 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 43 cents. Massey Holdings was the volume leader with 12,935 shares changing hands for a value of 47,365 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 90 cents, followed by National Enterprises Limited with a volume of 11,045 shares being traded for 35,454 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 45 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the regional stock markets, we turn to the Forex market. On July 19, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $45.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $53.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.99 and bought the US dollar for $154.74. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.25, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $9.50 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $123.50 and bought for $114. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.24, selling it for $201.66 and buying it for $199.42. For our credit report tip of the day, we want you to consider leveraging your career to boost your credit worthiness and using your credit score to open greater doors to opportunities and financial freedom. Here are 2 actionable steps to help you achieve this. The first is consistency in employment. A stable job history demonstrates reliability to creditors. Staying with a company for a significant period can positively impact your credit worthiness. Second, optimize your income. Regularly negotiate salary increases and seek promotions. Higher income increases your capacity to manage debts and enhances your credit profile. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update,